me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a table in the Google Form questions. So, if you are creating a Google Form, you must know that you can directly create a table in here. So, I found this trick. So, first you can create the table in the Google Sheets like this, for example, and after that you can just use the print screen or the screenshot apps on your computer. So I'm going to use the snipping tool here from my laptop. Then I'm going to select the table. Okay, I'm going to drag it like this. Okay, so here is the table that I selected before, and you can just save this picture on your library. So here I'm going to save it in the music file. Click on save music folder, and you can just close this. And after that, you can import the image of the table in the question or the answer. So here you can click on this add image or this one. Okay, and find the pictures that you captured before, picture of the table. Okay, this one, and click on open. Then just like that, the table has been added into the question. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks. Bye.